Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to build an agent in Copilot Studio. So here we are going to learn how to create and deploy our first agent. By using Copilot Studio, you can quickly and easily create powerful agents throughout a guided, no-code graphical experience. You don't need data scientists or developers. The quick start shows you how to create an agent for the first time. You can learn how to add knowledge to your agent, this content changes in real time, and publish your agent to a demo website so you can share it with others. Now, to create the agent, you simply have to sign into your Copilot Studio or basically sign up to create a new account and you will land on the home page like so. Now, what you will need to do, simply, you can go ahead and enter a brief description of what you want your agent to do. So you can click here on create an agent, flexible solution that take action, share knowledge, etc, etc. And then just write down what you want it to do. So enter a brief description about what your agent wanted to do. For example, help users learn how to create agent with Copilot Studio. The description can have up to 1024 characters. As you can see here, this is what you should write down. The overview page of your agents appears after that, as you can see, and here you can select your agent model. So you can use GPT 4.1 for example, and here you write down the instructions. As you can see, you can edit them and add here the knowledge. The knowledge is going to be like files, data, resources that inform and improve AI generated responses, and basically a couple of information that your AI you want it to be based on. So you don't want it to be out of these like informations. So you simply have to add your knowledge here, or the AI knowledge here, and when you start with the description, your own word, etc, etc, the AI starts generating the full instructions for you guys. So that's pretty awesome. And once you're done, go ahead and publish it and you are good to go. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.